Hi creators! In this video, I'm going to give you a full overview in how to set up a one-on-one consultation in your creator store. Let's go ahead and get started. Once you're logged into your creator store, we're going to head over to our left-hand navigation so that we can begin to create our product. You're going to begin by selecting store, clicking on products, and then we're going to go over here to select new product. As I mentioned, we are going to be working on our one-on-one consultation. The one-on-one consultation can be used to connect your calendar and organize one-on-one meetings with your customers. So we're going to click that so we can go ahead and begin creating this product. We're going to begin with our meeting title. For this example, I'll leave the one-on-one consultation, but you can edit this to whatever you'd like to have as your meeting title. And here you can add a custom URL if you'd like your customers to access your product directly via a link. This is not mandatory. It is totally optional if you choose to do that for your products. Then we're going to come down here to the meeting location. You have several options to host or hold your one-on-one consultations. You can have your one-on-one consultations virtually via Google Meet or Zoom, and this is via our integrations that we have directly here in Creator Store. You can also meet with your customers over the phone, or you can do that in person. For this example, I will use Google Meet, one of my integrations that I already have in my Creator Store. Once you're done with your meeting location, you're going to come down here to your meeting description. Here we already have a template for you that you can modify, update, however you need to match your brand. You can also completely remove this and add a meeting description that fits for your products. And we also have our AI tool here that will allow you to put in a couple of words that will help you build the meeting description for your product as well. Once you're done with your meeting description, you're going to come down here to upload your content thumbnail. You can do that by just selecting upload to choose anything from your device. And we also have Giphy, Unsplash, and stickers here for you to choose from. If you do decide to choose one of our images or upload your own, you just want to come in here and make sure you edit the image so that it fits appropriately on your site. And some great tools that you can use to edit images are Canva or any other photo editors. Once that's done, you're going to select done, and then your thumbnail will pop up here. And this is where you can confirm to ensure that your image is properly displayed. Once you're done with your content thumbnail, you can come down here and update your pricing. And you can also put this product on sale at any time that you need just by simply toggling this on and off. Once you're done with that, you're going to hit save and continue. And you always want to be sure to save and continue your work as you go through your product. So now that we're done with the general information, we're going to move on to the event. From here, you can set a date range for your availability so that your fans or your clients will only be able to book between the selected range of dates. So if this one-on-one consultation that you are offering is only going to be for 2 months, you can set that out by selecting any time frame here for the days in the future. Okay, you can also use this drop down to, if you don't need to set it for a specific amount of days in the future, you can also do indefinitely, you can do a specific date range, or you can do for the set number of days. If you are going on holiday, you're going on a vacation, you're taking a little break or a hiatus from offering your one-on-one consultations, you can also block off selected days from bookings as needed. Again, this can be done at any time. Then you can come down here to set your weekly availability for all of your appointments. Your appointments can be any duration, 15, 30, 45 minutes, or 60 minutes. Or if your appointments are longer, such as 2 hours, 120 minutes, you can also add that here in the customized text box here. So you will use this feature here to add in the date of your availability. If you're only working on the weekdays, you would toggle off the weekends. If you're only working on the weekends, you can toggle off the weekdays, and you can also add those time frames from when your meetings will be available. And then too, to ensure that you aren't overbooked or that the appointments are not too close together, you can also give yourself a buffer time in between your meetings to avoid having back-to-back calls. So if you need a 5-minute buffer time, 30-minute buffer time, as we understand things can sometimes run over, you can do that here at the bottom. And as you can see on your preview, your product is starting to be built and all come together. So once you're done, you're going to hit save and continue. And then we're going to move on to our last tab, which is our additional information, things that are optional that you can choose to include within your product. If you need to add any coupons, maybe you want to test the product out for yourself. Maybe you are offering a first-time welcome coupon for those customers who subscribe to your mailing list. You can add those coupons directly in here, adding your coupon and the amount that will be discounted from the price. You can also add an expiration date for the coupon, and that this coupon can be redeemed by customers. You can also add any custom questions that you may need alongside of your one-on-one consultation. So if you are doing a one-on-one consultation for health issues, you may want to add a custom question in here about what is the current status of your health. Okay, and the customer will see that at the time of purchase. You can set that as required, save and continue, so that way once they are checking out and making their purchase, they will go ahead and see that custom question so that it can be answered for you. So while you are preparing for your one-on-one consultation, you have any information that you have already requested. We also have our custom confirmation emails for your customer. Once your customer makes a purchase, they will receive their purchase confirmation email with all of their details about their meeting, their transaction ID, the cost of the meeting, and also the date and time of the meeting. If there is any additional information that you would like to share with your customer, you can add that here in the custom confirmation email. And be sure to hit save and continue so that your customer receives that along with their purchase confirmation email. We also have a check your conflicts. This will help you to prevent double bookings. So if you want to add your calendar, so that way when customers are scheduling, we will ensure that there are no conflicts, no double bookings for you. We also have our rating feature, which allows customers to be able to review and rate your offering. You can choose to decide which ratings would be displayed. So if you only want to show ratings that are 3 stars and higher or 5 stars and higher, you can decide to do that. Or if you don't want any ratings displayed on your products at all, you can just go ahead and toggle this off, and that will go ahead and disable that for you. We also have testimonials. If your customers decide to leave you any positive reviews via email or maybe on your Instagram, you can actually come in here and add those testimonials for your customers, so that way when other customers come to visit your store, they can see how amazing your product is. And that's it. Once you're done, you can select publish. You can choose to add this product as just a single block or a part of a carousel if you're offering multiple one-on-one consultations or multiple products that all fall under the same category. But in this case, I will just add as one block. And that is it. You have successfully set up a one-on-one consultations. Now clients can book directly from your store. And if you want to go ahead and change the design just so it matches your brand a little bit more, you can change the appearance of how the consultation will look on your site. Once that is done, you will hit save and you are all set. If you have any questions or need more help, please feel free to reach out to our support team. Happy creating, and thanks for watching.